again, Mitch, and for today, we will be doing Meringue Kisses using our Swiss meringue recipe. Okay? So, dalawang ingredients lang. You have sugar and you have egg white. But this time, make sure your sugar is very fine. You can use castor sugar if you want. But if it's too expensive for you, pwede mo i-food processor or you pulse your ordinary table sugar para mas, manipis. And so, let's start. Simulan na natin. Mix your egg white and your sugar into a bowl. Tapos, bain-marie. If you remember my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe, ganito yon. Except, of course, the butter. Walang butter mamaya. Okay. In your saucepan, boil water. So, once the water is boiling sa saucepan, you patong your bowl. And then, keep on mixing your egg white and your sugar until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry, kanina, nasabi ko Celsius dun kanina. Fahrenheit, sorry. Or around 70 degrees Celsius. Kailangan melted na si sugar. So, yan, around 70. Sorry. Kita. 70! If you touch it, it's warm already. Then, we will transfer this one into a mixing bowl with your whisk attachment. Transfer into your mixing bowl. Okay. Transfer into your mixing bowl. Using your, may konti pa. Using your whisk attachment. Okay? At hindi pala siya nakasaksak, guys. After 3 minutes, still malambot. Okay? So, we need to mix it again for another 3 minutes. Kailangan siya stiff. Okay? If you're using hand mixer, you need to know the consistency of your meringue. Huwag mo i-base dun sa ilang minutes or whatsoever. You need to check it. Like, for example, like that. That's too soft. Malambot pa yan. So, mix it again. Let's check again after another 3 minutes. Yeah. This one is stiff already. Okay? The moment you do that, nandiyan na yung peaks. And then, it's very glossy. See? Tapos, when you do that sa bowl, hindi na mahulog. So, this is good to go. Okay? Preheat your oven. Around, we will be baking this one 1 to 2 hours. So, around 200 yung init ng oven, ha? Fahrenheit. And then, I have here baking paper. And then, star tip. I have open and close star. Unahin ko muna to. If you want color, you can add color using your gel-based color. Unahin ko muna si white, and then later, I'll add sky blue. Oops, sorry. I'll be making a rosette. Don't make it too big or else matagal siya i-bake. Okay. Then bake this one 1 to 2 hours. How to check if it's done? Try to touch. Kailangan medyo matigas na siya and then easy to peel off. Hindi siya magdikit sa baking paper. Okay? Bake into your cute oven. I have here Korean cute oven. Di ko maintindihan yung sulat. Basta negative, minus and plus lang. So, bake that one around 1 to 2 hours. Okay? Then, let's put color sa iba. Yan. So, after 1 hour, your Meringue Kisses is baked already. Yung iba, I added gel color like pink and sky blue. And then, I used Sultan Tips. Yung may butas sa gitna. Yan. Para may design. Okay? So, you can keep this one up to 3 weeks. Basta airtight container. Pwede rin, meringue lollipops. Okay? So, yan guys. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!